Hi, Steve in the workshop at Bambers. So just unpacking this Bernina 325, which is going to Salford Royal Hospital in Manchester. We sold them a few over the years. Bernina 325. So to the question, I've done a video on this before. Sometimes you get a customer that comes in and they say, what's the best machine? Of course, it's impossible to answer. But one of the best machines, depending on what you want to do, is definitely the Bernina 325. It's certainly the best machine for a multi-user environment. So I'm just going to put a sticker on this one. It's still got, as you can see, the original all steel CB bobbin case, hook and raceway. You know, if you want, what can I compare it to? It's like the metal bodied Kenwood mixer, which I think now is Artisan or something like that. It's like a standard E-Class BMW from 30 years ago, E-Class Mercedes, or 3-litre diesel BMW with no extras on it. Just plain, competitively priced, and it's going to last forever. It'll sew anything and it'll last forever. So in a certain category, what's the best machine? The Bernina 325 is the best machine.